Good morning, children. All of you, please take page number 13, enrichment sheet 1 of week 3, and the lesson name is Our Neighborhood. Our neighborhood. The area around our home is called our neighborhood. The people who live in houses close to ours are called neighbors. A good neighborhood gives useful services to its people. Hospital. We go to the hospital or a clinic when we fall sick. Doctors examine us and give us medicine. Nurses help doctors and take care of us. Police station. The policemen keep our neighborhood safe and protected. They catch thieves and robbers and provide safety to our lives as well as valuable things. The traffic policeman or policewoman control the traffic on the road. Fire station. When there is an occurrence of fire, we call for the fire brigade from the fire station. A fire engine carries firefighters, water, pipes, and ladders to put out fires. Park. A park helps to add greenery to our neighborhood. Every park should have a different kinds of plants and trees. Children go to the park to spend their leisure time and play with their friends. The elders also go there for walking, jogging, and doing exercises. A gardener takes care of the plants and maintains the cleanliness of the park. Now coming to the topic. No. So our lesson is yes, children. So this is the week 3 and the topic is our neighborhood. And these are the keywords you have written just now. Now the keywords are neighborhood, hospital, doctor, nurse, police station, policeman, fire station, fire engine, park, and the last one is gardener. Now first one, neighborhood. Neighborhood means the area around us, complete area around us, the people who are living around us, the different places in a particular area is called neighborhood. We call it as neighborhood. Okay, so many people live in our neighborhood. That is the meaning of neighborhood. Next coming, hospital. So hospital is a place where when we fall sick or if we have any health problem, we go to a hospital. It is a place which treat us. Suppose we are unhealthy, we are sick, we got ill, or we got any accidents or any other problem, whatever it may be, we rush to the hospital carrying our problem. So the hospital is a place where they treat us. So in these hospitals only doctors and nurse will be. So doctor is a person who treat us and who examine us and who take care of us. He examines us and he tells the what problem we are facing. So he will write some medicine for us so that we can cure. So he is called as a doctor. Next coming, nurse. A nurse is a person who helps the doctor in treating patients. He helps the doctor. He will be a nurse. Nurse may be a girl or a boy, like a male or a female. So what the nurse will do? That nurse will help the doctor in treating the patients. Not only helping the doctor, even the nurse helps the patients also. Next coming, police station. So police station is a place where policemen will be doing their service. So they will be in the police station, and this police station is meant for the protection of the people in that area. So every area will have a police station, compulsory one. Every area will have a police station. And policeman, a person who works in the police station is called a policeman. So there are policemen and policewomen also in the police station. So what these police people will do, either a policeman or a policewoman, they will take care of the people, they will catch the robbers, thieves, and they give protection for our valuable things. They give protection for our valuable things, like whatever the valuables we are having. No, we have different types of vehicles in front of our house. Next, we have valuable things in the house itself. We have gold and different types of things in our house. All the things that, like TV, fridge, so many are there, no, in our house. So that all protection, the policeman will give that protection to our area. Next, coming to fire station. So fire station is a place where fire engine will be. So what this fire engine will do? It will go to the place where the place is affected with the fire. If suddenly there is a fire burnout in any place, so we should call to the fire station. So the fire station, it will send the fire engine, and in that fire engine so many things will be like water, yes, firefighters, then pipes, ladders, everything. So that people will come, yes, they will come within minutes and they will put off the fire. So this fire station consists of all these things. Next, coming fire engine. It is one type of truck engine which have all these water facility, pipe facilities, and the firefighters, and it will put off the fire. That is the fire engine. Next, coming park. So park is a place where we people will go and relax ourselves. So every locality or every neighborhood have a park. So when you feel bored in our house, when we want to take some leisure time, or when we want to enjoy, what we will do, we go to the park, we play in the park, we enjoy. And even elders, no, elder people like us, like your grandfather, grandmother, or father, mother, what they will do, they will go for walking, jogging, and even they do exercise in the park, because in morning, no, fresh showers, no pollution, fresh air will be, yes, coming. So people will go and do different types of exercises also. And coming to gardener, gardener is a person who take care of the park. So he will take care of the plants in the park. He will clean the things, whatever the things, dry leaves and all will be there. No, so all the things the gardener will clean the park. He will take care of the park. So these are the different keywords. Once again, please: neighborhood, hospital, doctor, nurse, police station, policeman, fire station, fire engine, park, and gardener. So these are the keywords. Next. Now coming to the lesson part, the area around our home is called our neighborhood. So the area around our home. Yes, we know that where we are. Suppose we are living in the city. So a particular area where we are living, on all the people who are around our house. So they have their own houses, they have their own buildings, everything. So that people completely, that complete area, it is called as neighborhood. And the people who are living in the houses close to us are called our neighbors. We call them as neighbors. So different types of people live in different locality. All the people will not be same. Everyone will have their own lifestyle, their own mentality. Their own mentality means thinking power. No one will think like, see, for example, I am there. I will think in a different way. You will think in a different way. Your lifestyle is different and my lifestyle is different, means here thinking ability. Okay. Okay. So people live in different houses, and the people who are living in different houses are called as our neighbors. Now, every neighborhood will should be a very good and calm, and it should give a good service to the people. So a good neighborhood gives useful services to its people. Means the people who are living in that area should have all the facilities. That it should get all the facilities. It should give good service to the people. See, in this society, no one will live alone. Everyone should depend on each other. For example, you take our birth only dependence, because without the help of doctor, we can't take birth. Okay, doctors will help us. His mother is giving birth to us, but doctor will help us to take birth. Nurse will take care of us. Then, like that, slowly in the society, we take the help of different people. We are eating food daily. Yes, daily we are eating food. Yes or no? We are eating different types of food: rice, wheat, chapati, vegetables, fruits, everything. From where you are getting all these things? A farmer will give all these things, because farmer will cultivate the land. He will grow the crops, and he will give everything, and we purchase with from him. So, like this, different people give different types of services. Now, what are the different types of services? For example, you take hospital, post office, fire station, school, parks, grocery shops, everything. So they give us different services to us. Now, coming to one by one, we'll see. The first one is hospital. So, or a clinic. Yes, hospital or a clinic is a place we go when we fall sick. It is a place we go to the hospital or a clinic when we fall sick, or when we get any problem. Any problem, either you get a fever, cold, cough. If it is a serious problem or any other problem regarding our health issue, we go to a hospital. So hospital is a place where we can go and we can treat us. We can took treatment for us. And in the hospital, doctors and nurse will be available. So what these doctors will do, they examine us and give us medicine. The doctor will see you, he will check up you. Yes, he will use his stethoscope, he will check up you, he will find out whether you are okay or do you got any problem. For example, if you are suffering from fever, he will check how much temperature you are having, and he will write some medicine. Yes, that medicine, what we'll do, we'll go and take in the, yes, this chemist, like a medical shop. We go there and we'll take from the medical shop and we take that medicine. Yes, so doctor will examine and he give us medicine. Nurse helps the doctor and take care of the patient. Okay, so the nurse is also present in the hospital. This nurse will help the doctor and take care of the patient also. So this is about the hospital. Next, coming to police station. So in the police station, policeman, policewoman will be there. They give safe and security for that area. So the police station gives safety or security to that area, and we get protected. Yes, we get protected with the help of these police station only. Every area will have a police station. Every area will have a police station. The policeman and the policewoman, they give protection for our area. Next, they catch thieves and robbers and provide safety to our lives as well as valuable things. Are you able to hear me? Bavarshid,
Yes, ma'am.
are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am. I am able to.
Okay. So, this policeman, what they will do? They will catch the thieves and robbers and provide safety to our lives and as well as our valuable things also. Okay. Policeman will give that protection for us. And what do the traffic policeman do? The traffic policeman or policewoman controls the traffic on the road. They control the traffic. We have seen no in the traffic rules. So this policeman will control the traffic. He will give instructions, and if you are not listening to the instructions or if you are not following that instructions, he will impose fine on you. So the policeman will take the control of the traffic. He will look after the traffic, and he will controls the traffic on the road. So this is about the policeman and police station. Now coming to fire station. Now, when there is a sudden occurrence of fire anywhere in the place, maybe in the city or in the town or in any nearby cities, so what happens? We call to this fire brigade, and there the fire engine is ready to come, and it will it will help us to put off the fire. So when there is an occurrence of fire, we call for this fire brigade, and this fire station consists of this fire engine and everything, and it will send that fire engine to the place where it has occurred. So a fire engine carries firefighters, water, pipes, and ladders to put out the fire. So are you able to see the fire engine? In that fire engine, tank will be there. In the tank, water will be there. Okay, and ladders will be there. Pipes will be there. So all these things are available in the fire engine. These are the different things available in the fire engine. So this fire engine comes to that place and it will put off the fire. It will put out the fire. So this is about the fire station. Next, coming to park. A park helps to add greenery to our neighborhood. So compulsory, every area, every locality will have a park, because see how much like big city it may be. Ours is a big city. Not only us, like there are different big cities in India. So whatever the big city it may be, but it should be greenery also, because we need oxygen to breathe. We need air to breathe. We can't survive without air. So we need air also. So when there is a park in our locality, and in that park, different types of plants and trees will be. So what these plants and trees will do? They give us, yes, they give us oxygen. They give us air. So that is the reason park help to add greenery to our neighborhood. Every locality should have a park with different kinds of plants and trees. A park should have different kinds of plants and trees, because we people will go there and spend some time and play with our relatives and friends. Okay, so children go to the park to spend their leisure time and play with their friends. That is the reason every park should be there in a locality, and every park should have different kinds of plants and trees, because plants and trees help us to give air and oxygen. That is the reason park is very important in an area. Now, not only children, even elders also go to park for walking, jogging, doing exercises, different types of activities to spend their leisure time or to enjoy with the children. Okay, so whenever we get a Sunday or weekends, what we do? We plan for a outgoing. For example, you can go for a park or a zoo. You can enjoy Sunday and again you can come back in the evening. So elders, whenever they get leisure time, they take the children to the park. And even in the morning time, if the park is near to their house, they go for jogging, walking, exercises, everything they can do in the park, because it is a place where you can enjoy without any pollution. No pollution will be there. Air, completely greenery and air. Now, a gardener takes care of the plants and maintains the cleanliness of the park. So, person compulsory in a park, gardener will be there. Not one, more people will be there. So that workers, we call them as gardeners. So different types, like different gardeners are present. So they will clean the park every time. They will maintain the park. Yes, they will clean all the dust and everything, and whatever we are throwing in the dustbin, they will clean the dustbin. They will maintain the cleanliness of the park. So the person who care for the plants and maintains the cleanliness of the park is called a gardener. So this is about the neighborhood. So the place, yes, the place around our house is called a neighborhood, and different places are there and different people live in our neighborhood. We get different types of services in our neighborhood, like hospitals. We go to hospitals when we fall sick. Doctors and nurses are present in the hospitals. They take care of us. Police station is a place where policemen and policewomen are there, and they give protection for us. Even they catch thieves and robbers, and they provide safety for our lives and valuable things. And Traffic policeman controls the traffic on the road. Next, fire station. When there is an occurrence of fire, we call for this fire station and we ask for the fire engine. Then this fire engine carries firefighters, water, pipes and ladders to put out the fire. This park is a place where it is completely greenery and different types of plants and trees are present in the park, and it is very good to go and do jogging or exercise in the park also. Children enjoy in the park because they love to play all different types of games in the park. And a person who maintains the park, take cares of the plants and maintains the cleanliness is called a gardener. Okay, so this is about your neighborhood.